The rest went to Kumi, then to Tororo. In Tororo, there's no padola in Tororo. You see, the wound, incurable wound is called a dollar in Luo. So this man was saying, I know a dollar can. I cannot move ahead. You go, you people. But the people there did not understand, so they said, those are padola. There is no padola. Those are Luos. So the other people went to Kenya, other people went to Tanzania. That is briefly what I can give. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think the conversation is getting interesting, the enthusiasm that you have put to it.